Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download FSPY for Blender. Alright, let's begin. So first just head on to your web browser and then just search up for FSPY Blender. And then after that scroll down and just click on this GitHub link right there. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just scroll down until you see download the add-on right there. So what you want to do is just simply click on download the latest version right there. So just click on this link. And after that, you'll be redirected here. So once you're here, what you want to do is to install this zip file right there. So it's FSPY Blender 1.0.3.zip. So just click on this to install the file. There you go. So once it's done installing, what you want to do now is go to your downloads folder. And then once you're here, I'll just drag it here to the desktop since it will be easier to see. So once you're here, what you want to do is to extract this zip file right there. So just simply right click the zip file, click on extract all, click on extract, and then there you go. The folder has now been extracted. So this is the extracted folder. So what we're going to do now, head on to your Blender file location. So to do that, the easiest way to do that is just by going on Steam, go to library, search up for Blender, right click on it, go to manage, and then just click on browse local files. There you go. So after that, let's just open the other file explorer right here, which contains the FSPY add-on. There you go. So in here, what you want to do is just copy this folder right there, the FSPY Blender folder. So just copy it and go back to the Blender file location right there. Go click on 4.3, go click on scripts, go click on add-on core. And then in here, what you want to do is to just simply paste in that FSPY folder. So just paste it in, and then there you go. So after that, you're pretty much done. So let's open up Blender. Let's just launch Blender up, and then there you go. So when I go to edit right there, and then go to preferences, as you can see that we have an add-on right there that says import FSPY project. So if you see this add-on right here, that means that you've done the steps correctly. So that's basically how you can download FSPY for Blender. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.